So languages that are coming from C mainly, we do have increment and decrement operator in addition to normal mathematical operators. So let's say you want to increment this number, then you will be able to do this to make it number 2. In Vimscript, we cannot, but we do have a shorthand for reassignment. So to increment the number, we can do this, or we can use the shorthand by prepending the equal sign with the operator. So this line and this line is equivalent, so that will make it 2 and 3 and so on. And it also works with any other operators as well. So you have 10 and you want to raise its power. Then you can do that as well. And another operator that we're familiar with is ternary operator. So the syntax goes like this: condition, question mark, expression 1, colon, and expression 2. And we do have this in Vimscript. So instead of doing this, you can use the ternary operator. So using the ternary operator, you can condense this 5 lines or more into 1 line, and depending on the context, this 1 line is easier to understand than the multiple lines of if and else statements.